Hi friends, welcome back to Minute Vlogs, and this video is continuation of the short which I made it on dating scam. The scam which has recently happened with one of my female friend. So basically she was chatting with a guy on Bumble, and they were chatting for a long time, for 3-4 days, and he said he's single and he's looking for a relationship and he wants to get settled down in life. Okay, and she was also very interested, and she was very happy to get a good vibe, good energy guy, the guy she wanted to date and all, because the conversation looked so healthy. Okay, initially everything was good. They were talking, they were chatting nice, they were fun, banter, everything. So they vibed a lot. Later on, after 2-3 days, they shared their numbers and they added on WhatsApp. Okay, they never added on Insta. In 1 week, after chatting also in 1 week, they never added on Insta. So she got to know the name of the guy. Obviously, the name of the guy she knew it, but she didn't know the entire name, the surname. Okay, so she got to know the entire name of the guy from a Truecaller, and after that, she went into the Instagram to check his profile just out of curiosity. Okay, she was checking, and luckily the profile of the guy was open. And here the twist comes. Okay, the guy was already married. She saw the pictures of the guy with his wife, and also kids. He had kids as well. बच्चे भी थे उसके. He has kids as well. So she never said this to the guy, like initially after 2-3 days also knowing that he is married and all. She acted like she didn't knew anything, and she already had the wife's Insta ID as well. After chatting for a few days also, and she asked him a lot of time that is there anything which you want to share with me, is there anything which you want to share with me, and he never said anything that he is married or he's having kids and all. But later on, after 3-4 days, she herself conveyed this thing to him, and after conveying, she just blocked that guy from everywhere, and this was really a disaster. After she informed this thing to the guy, what the guy did is he made his account personal. Okay, previously it was open account, it was an open account, and after that he made the account personal. Okay, so this kind of people are there on dating apps. Girl, whoever is watching this video of mine, you have to be very precautious. Please go through the entire details of the guy. Please ask the guy's entire full name. Please check the Insta account. Please have a thorough check. Don't just go and directly meet anyone. There are a lot of scams happening. Okay, the day before, I came to know that one of the girls, he was dating a guy for almost 2 years. Okay, for almost 2 years, and they were in not a normal relationship. They were in live-in relationship. Okay, after being in real relationship also, the guy lied for 2 years. The guy was already married and he was not having a good married life. Okay, no doubt he was not having a good married life, and he should have informed it. At least he should have informed, but he never informed. And he was in 2 years of relationship with the girl, live-in relationship. And look at the audacity of the guy. He made his brother talk to the girl, wife for marriage purpose, and the girl did talk to the brother. The girl thought, yeah, okay, fine, this is a serious relationship and they should think about getting married and all. Everything was good. The girl also herself made him talk to their family members, and everything was sorted till the time one day she came to know that this guy is already married and he is having a failed marriage, and this couple are filing for a divorce. Okay, and she was all shattered. It took almost a year for her to overcome this. I will request each and every girl, whoever is listening to my videos or is watching my video, will request, if you all have faced any kind of this scams which has happened to you, please feel free to comment on the video, or either you can DM, and I'm always there to have a chat with you. We can discuss things, we can share things, or maybe I can help you out in any possible way which I can. Okay, till the time, take care, stay safe, enjoy your day, bye.